Like when you're working on a project and your mind goes blank.
Don't worry, we've got you. Today we're going to share how you can boost your creative thinking skills. And we'll give you some fun practical activities to try.
Let's get creative!
First, let's break it down. Creative thinking is the ability to look at problems or situations from a fresh perspective. It's all about coming up with new, original, and useful ideas. It's not just for artists or writers. It's super helpful in science, math, business, even everyday life.
Creative thinking helps you solve problems more effectively, come up with unique solutions, be more adaptable in school and life. And honestly, it just makes learning more fun. So now that we know what it is, let's talk about how we can improve it.
Number 1, brainstorm without judging. Try this. Pick a topic like how to make studying fun. Set a timer for 5 minutes and write down every idea, even the silly ones. No flirting, no judging, just flow. Why? Because sometimes crazy ideas lead to brilliant ones.
Practice what-if scenarios. Ask yourself what if? Questions like, what if humans could teleport to school? Or what if exams were based on video games? This trains your brain to think outside the box, and it's fun.
Try the 30-circle challenge. Take a piece of paper with 30 blank circles on it. In 3 minutes, turn as many of them as you can into different objects. Circles become a pizza, a clock, a basketball, go wild. This helps unlock visual creativity and quick thinking.
Collaborate with others. Back and forth style. Ever noticed how ideas get better when you share them with friends?
Exactly. Group brainstorming can spark ideas you wouldn't have thought of on your own.
So, next time you're stuck, call up a buddy or team up with classmates.
Thanks for watching. Now